Hey everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day. This morning's a hot morning, so if you hear some noise, that's my air conditioner running. Got some music video going here, some cool stuff. Gotta love some good guitar stuff. Speaking of that, if you like guitar stuff, I'm having a new video series right now. I'm me shopping for a new guitar and why. You might want to check that out. But anyway, the joke that you came here for is, what did the baby bird say on Halloween? Yeah, what did the baby bird say on Halloween? Think about it for a moment. Hopefully this brings a little joy to your day, a little chuckle. That's all I'm going for here. Okay, once again, what did the baby bird say on Halloween? Trick or tweet. All right, everybody, you have a blessed day. Take care and try to bless somebody else too as well. Have a good one.